Today I'm going to be reviewing Loro Toco's bamboo chopsticks. I'd like to thank them for sending them to me to review. Let me show you what they look like. You're going to get 10 pairs in here. These are what they look like. Really nice. You can clean these. They do say to hand wash them and not put them under boiling or scalding water, but when they touch water, they're not going to change colors. Let's see if I can actually do this correctly. I normally can do okay. I can't catch flies with these though. I feel very comfortable, just normal. I mean, better than the cheap ones that you get, let's say at a Chinese restaurant or something. I know these are Japanese made. They look nice. They have a few different styles where this part has different colors. They just feel really nice in my hand. Very easy to use. These do really well on Amazon. They're an Amazon choice. They get 4.5 stars, over 250 reviews. And last month, 1,000 plus of these were bought. So people are liking them. They're keeping them. So if you're looking for chopstick, these aren't very expensive and you get 10 of them. There you go. I hope this review helps and I'll see you next time.